Hey everybody, Sean Gavin, RHG Products. Just a quick video on how to install the Tucker swivel gooseneck onto a Tucker brush. Now the swivel gooseneck will fit 12-inch as well as the 18-inch brush models. You see here, standard gooseneck from Tucker, 12-inch dual trim nylon brush. What you'll want to do is remove the pull from your gooseneck, disconnect your T at the brush back, uninstall your standard gooseneck, set that aside, and you'll need a Phillips head screwdriver. You'll remove the two screws that are holding the socket onto the brush. Set your socket to the side, and the backer plate that comes with your swiveling gooseneck will attach right where your socket was. So you simply reinstall the screws that you removed from the original socket. Reconnect your T and reinstall onto your water fit pole. As you can see, the swivel will then enable you to get different angles, right? So standard angle swivel. There's a knob on the top here of the swivel that you can loosen or tighten so that you can adjust the tension of your swivel to your liking. And if you tighten it all the way down, you can get the swivel to basically become pretty much fixed. But the idea there is it's a swivel, right? So it doesn't really lock in place. It just tightens it up and it won't move on you then. Again, if you like the fixed, non-adjustable angles, obviously your pole will come with one, but the swivel is now available. So that's a quick video on how to install the swivel gooseneck onto your Tucker brush. More information can be found at www.rhgproducts.com. Thank you very much.